Let us start exercise 5.1. Case number 1. For which of these would you use a histogram to show the data? So from the given list of data, ABCD, 4 data lists are given. You have to find out which are the data we can show by using histogram. Okay. First one, the number of letters for different areas in a postman's bag, the height of competitors in an athletics meet, the number of cassettes produced by 5 companies, the number of passengers boarding trains from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. in a station. After that, you should give the reason for each. Okay. So, in this list, in case of the data given in B and D, that means the height of competitors in an athletic meet and the number of passengers boarding train from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Okay, in these two cases, we will use histogram as we can divide the given data in class intervals. So, in these two cases, we can divide the data in class intervals. Height, maybe we can divide by 150 to 155 centimeter, 155 to 160 centimeter. So we can divide the height in different class interval. Here also number of passengers from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. So we can divide 7 a.m. to 8 a.m., 8 to 9 a.m. or 7 to like that, 2 hours difference, 7 to 9, 9 to 11. So we can divide the interval and we can classify the number of passengers accordingly. So in these two cases, we can use histogram. What is the reason? Because we can divide the given data in class intervals. In case of options A and C, what are the options A and C? The number of letters for different areas and the number of cassettes produced by 5 companies. So in these two cases, we do not know about the number of exact numbers. So in the first case, we do not know what is the exact number of letters, correct? And the second case, we don't know the number of cassettes produced by the given company. So in these two cases, we don't know the exact number, so that we cannot divide it into the different intervals. So we cannot represent these two data by using histogram. Okay, so in these two cases, we cannot represent data by using histogram because we cannot divide these data into different intervals. Okay, next case number 2. The shoppers who come to a departmental store are marked as man M, woman W, boy B, or girl G. The following list gives the shoppers who came during the first hour in the morning. So some data are given. W representing woman, G representing girl, B boy, and M representing man. So we have to find out. Make a frequency distribution table using tally mark. So method is given in this question. What is the method here? Using tally mark. So this is the method. Make a frequency distribution table using tally mark. Draw a bar graph to illustrate it. Illustrate means to proving this you have to draw the bar graph. Okay. So how can we represent this? You know that we can divide it into 4 different categories, correct? First is woman, men, then boy and girl. So you can make the table like this. For making frequency distribution table by using tally mark, this is tally marks. Okay, we can make a table like this. So shopper, we can like this: woman, man, boy, girl, 4 categories. So if you are reading first W, that representing woman, right? So in the space of this W we can mark one line. Next you should check again W. So W, W, W. So we can mark here 1, 2, 3 line. After that, what is this? G and B. So we can mark one line in G and one line in B. So after the fifth one, if you want to represent, you should cut like this. Cross cut these four lines together, cross cut. Okay. So after that, total number how can you calculate? 5 plus 5, 10 plus 5, 15 plus 5, 20 plus 5, 25 plus 3, 28. So total number we can calculate like this. So by using bar graph, how can we represent this one? I am taking here what are the numbers 5, 12, 15, 28. So the class interval we can take here 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 in 5 intervals difference. Okay. Here what we want to represent woman, men, boy, girl. So that 4 category we can represent here. So woman representing 28. After 25, 26, 27, 28. Around middle part of 25 and 30 we can take here. And draw one bar here. All these distance should be equal from here to here. This distance, this one, this one, this one. Keep all these distance equal. Okay. So make the same line. Here it is 15. So you can take 15. See 15, one bar. That is representing men. So complete this table and bar graph. Okay.